everyone, it's me and I'm back here with another video, and today I am joined by my lovely daughter. So I told her that to just shower, and I went outside. She's showering. Mommy, what are you doing in here? I'm showering. Sweetie, come on, go ahead and get out. Okay. I'm gonna go into my room. I'm sleepy. So you just went to sleep? Wait, let's see. Okay, sweetie, okay, you're tired, but I'm gonna go ahead and make some breakfast. I know, we are tired of this too. Do you want bacon and eggs? Since you're so busy sleeping, so I'm tired myself, I'm just gonna make you some bacon and eggs. I know you don't like eggs, but you don't have to eat the eggs. I'll make you some cereal with the bacon. You want some yogurt? Okay, I could throw in some yogurt. I can get some out of the refrigerator. Mommy! Yes, sweet pea? I just want yogurt, bacon, and milk. Okay. Well, guess what? Mommy already knew that you didn't want the eggs, and she already knew you loved the yogurt. So Mommy got you some yogurt already from the store, and that way you won't get so mad at me. Yay, Mommy! I love you. I love you too, sweet pea. Now, anyways, let me just X out this. Let's take this and put the rest up. So let's start making an eggs. Mommy, are you ready for me to come? Yes, sweetie, I am. Yay, I'm so hungry. Okay, I'm pretty sure I know which one is mine. You do? That's good. Alright, you're just getting so big. Let's eat. Okay, Mommy. Let me take mine too. Let me eat it. Alright, I'm gonna take my drink. Let me see. Let me take mine. And let's drink. Mommy, I kind of don't want the yogurt. Well, yes, I do. I'm just playing. So you still want the cereal? You don't? Okay, well, you know you don't have school or anything, so let's get you bathed. Mommy, I don't want to bathe. You are a girl, and go get yourself bathed. Okay, fine, Mommy, I'll go bathe. Why don't you want to bathe? Let me close the door and get you some time to get ready. Let me stop my alarm. That's been going off for a while now. Alright. Yeah, Mom, that's been getting on my nerves. Alright, you ready? You ready to get out the bath? Yes, Mom, I am. Okay. Well, go ahead and change your outfit, and yeah, go ahead and change your outfit, and I will oh, let me see that outfit. Change. That is not what you're wearing today. You actually have what you call school. Go ahead, get changed again. Mommy, but I like this outfit. Come on, this is what you're wearing. Fine. I don't want to go to school. You said I didn't have to go to school. Not school, honey. I didn't mean school. I meant, we have to run you up to the, you know what? Okay, fine. You don't have to go anywhere today. But today I'm going to show you how to do a couple chores around the house and not just be watching the news instead of, like, why are you watching the news? Mommy, I was trying to watch that. I don't know how to change the channel. I don't know how to change the channel, Mom. Alright, so let me teach you a couple chores. Come on to the sink. Come on, come to the sink. Come to the sink already. Come. Alright, so you're at the sink. Yeah, Mom, I'm at the sink. Oh, no, this is not the sink. Sleepy, come on around here. Right over here. Okay. Can you stop climbing on stuff? Get down now. Alright, good. Wash some dishes. I'm going to give you a couple dishes to wash. Why do I have to wash dishes? Can you stop getting on my counter? This is my furniture. Don't get on it. Mom, you're no fun. Wash the dishes. How? Just wash them. Get off. Fine. Go ahead and wash a couple dishes, and I'm gonna brush my teeth. Let's see. Brush some teeth. Oh my gosh, Mom is really making me do this, and I don't want to do this. I'm gonna go mess with her while she's brushing her teeth. Get out! Get out! No, Mom, no, I'm not getting out. Go watch TV and make sure it's not on the news if you're gonna watch TV. Mom, I don't know how to work a TV. Oh, fine, come on. I'm gonna cut on Unicorn. Have fun. Okay, so you watch Unicorn, and I'm gonna make you, you want something to eat? I can make you a pear. Mom, you're not making it. You know that, right? Shush. Do you want anything else besides a pear? Nothing sweet. I could get you some water. No, Mom, no. You're not getting grape juice. Milk. Okay, you just want anything besides water, but there you go, just because it's not grape juice. Mom, you're no fun. You're just doing this because it's not grape juice, and that's not fair. I love pears, so I'm going to eat the pear, but I also have to drink something that I don't even like. You're no fun, and you're no fair. How rude are you? Don't talk to me like that. I'm being super nice right now. You don't have to go to preschool today. You just stay here. I'm gonna sleep because I'm being restless for you, having no rest. Well, maybe that's what you're supposed to do. You're my mom. Oh, whatever. Let me just make up my bed. You're so annoying. Don't call me annoying. Whatever. Come on. I am very young, so don't call me old anymore. Sit down at the table right now. I'm not done talking to you. Don't stop. Don't walk away from me while I'm talking to you. Mom, you just told me to go and sit down at the table. Yeah, I know. But you walked away with you rolling your eyes, which is not cute. So don't do that again. Understand? Mom, just fix me some yogurt. Wow, you're being very, 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 very greedy. Yep, I said it because you're too spoiled. Let's see. Place this. Mom, I'm not spoiled. You very much are. So you're not spoiled, but you get almost everything you asked for. So you're not spoiled though? That's not spoiled. Learn spoiled is and learn some manners. And I don't want water. Well, guess what? That's what you're getting. Ugh. Don't me, young lady. Are you going to be in big trouble? And do you want to be in big trouble? Don't you try to act like you can't hear me by making a little eating noise. You know what? You are super duper being really bad and being a spoiled brat. With that being said, go to your room. Mommy, I'm sorry. But since you're ignoring my sorriness, I guess I will just go to my room and never come out. I never said never come out. You're just being extra. Mommy, you just told me to get my room. Why are you turning on the lights? Because. Anyways, how am I supposed to, get her to be not so much of what she is, a brat? I know you guys have told me lots of times not to baby her, not to like give her lots of things, not to spoil her and leave me money broke because of her, but I just can't. She's so sweet when she wants to be. When she gets what she wants, she can be the sweetest girl. And I like to see her that way, so I just, for some reason, do it like that. I just like to see her smile. I like to see her nice and stuff like that. So I always give her whatever she wants. Like, she can come home with straight A's. So I'll get her whatever she wants. Normally she wants a doll. She wanted that little decoration over her room. She said she wanted an open and close sign so she'll know when I need to be back off of her room. Not obviously told her no, she wasn't getting that. She got mad, and that's why she's acting like a spoiled brat. She's probably mad because I told her out of my own mouth she can't get what everything she wants and everything everybody else has. But normally, to be honest, she just always been a brat because basically I buy her anything as long as she's being nice and being humble. I will buy her anything. But when it's something where she's trying not to be rude, but she still is, I just don't know what to do with her anymore. I think she might have went to sleep. She's acting really quiet. Yeah, she's sleeping. Let me just place the chili. And let me, take a portion. Let's place chili. Let's place another chili. She's probably up there calling one of her friends saying that I'm abusing her. See, that's a good reason why not to have any house phones and not to give your kids a phone and give them a fake phone. So I'm giving her water. And I'm going to take me water because I'm okay with drinking water. That's very unhealthy of her to not want water, but she's just spoiled. And she's not used to drinking water, so I'm going to take 2 pairs because I'm giving her something she likes because she actually likes something that's actually very healthy. So I guess I'm giving it to her again. Wake up! Wake up, 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 wake up. Is she really in a deep sleep? What, Mom? What? Wake up, dinner is served. Ugh, Mom. You want to leave, then you can leave, but like, oop. Come on, come over here, come over here, come over here. If I have to tell you one more time and you not do it, you're going to be in big trouble. Why am I going to be in big trouble? Because you're being a brat. I'm not being a brat. You are being a brat. And I don't know why, actually. To eat. And don't be speechless, because I'm telling you what you are being. Eat your food. Mom! All I wanted was a sign that said open and close, so you know when to stay out. Yes, I know. And that's very rude to say, actually. And you need to learn to be more respectful to your people. And not to be such a rude, unhaving person that doesn't care about anybody else but themselves. Wow, Mom, you are actually being a pain right now. I'm being a pain when you're so disrespectful. You know what? You don't want to eat anything but the pear? Yeah, I don't. Okay, well, good, because I'm going to eat your drink, and it's just all going to be mine. Why would you do that? You're so horrible. Oh, my God. You're just so horrible. You said you didn't want it. Ugh. Spoiled, spoiled, spoiled. Hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please comment down below for some more videos. Today's series was all about spoiled, spoiled, spoiled. So basically, my spoiled daughter was being really disrespectful because I didn't want to get her one little thing she asked for. Bye. See you guys next time. Season part 2 will come out tomorrow.